Boom, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to JBF Fish Academy. Okay, so this video is specially designed for Mr. Mohammed. So Mr. Mohammed, good day, good evening, wherever you find yourself. I know you're in diaspora, you're not in Nigeria. This video I'm shooting right now is especially for you so that I can show you your oven and make you see what you expect when your oven gets delivered to Kaduna State. Okay, so your oven is a 200 capacity oven as discussed before on WhatsApp, and it comes with 7 racks. It comes with 2 charcoal collectors, it comes with a gas burner, it comes with a pair of thermal insulated gloves, it has a thermometer, and the doors are double padded, and it has a chimney where excess heat can leave the oven, and as well it has an oil collector which you can receive oil out of the oven during the drying process. Remember, the oils are very medicinal. Okay, all right, so very briefly let me show you what your oven has for you, and we prepare the delivery mode. Boom. So this is your oven. That's 200 capacity. This is just an overview of how it looks like. 200 capacity oven. So what you see here is a stainless oven. All right, it's locked. We're gonna use that padlock to do that, but now, boom, let me show you the interior. Amazing. So this is your edifice, 200 capacity JBF oven. Just take your time and look at the finishing part of the oven. Everything you see is mirror stainless and beautifully made. 200 capacity. The drops of water you see here is because it's slightly raining here in Benin. So we just got to ABC Transport not quite long. That's ABC Transport there. So your oven will be prepared for delivery shortly. All right, so very briefly at the bottom, okay, that's me over there, JBF. Okay, all right, so these are your pairs of thermal insulated gloves, and inside you find your receipt. So this is the receipt to your oven. So this pair of thermal insulated gloves will help you, swap your racks during the drying process. So it's always there available for anyone that books oven from us. And then these are your charcoal collectors. This is the first charcoal collector, this is the second. So you load your charcoal here during the drying process in case you do not want to use gas. But if you want to make use of gas, then this burner becomes indispensable. So this is a 148 slots burner, and it comes with a valve here, and it comes as well with a flame controller. So for you to install this to use, it's a pretty simple procedure. First is to remove this your valve, then remove the flame controller, then take the bottom of this and pass it through that hole you see over there. When you pass it through there, these 2 nuts that you see here, this is the first and this is the second nut. So you're going to fasten it through these 2 holes here. This is the first hole, this is the second hole, right? And then as that button will shoot out of the oven, then the first thing to do is to put back your flame controller first, then you connect your valve. Okay, then here you can put your hose that will connect it directly to your cylinder, and this is your controller. You can always use this to control the amount of flame entering and leaving the oven. All right then, so that is that for this. And amazingly, you can use the charcoal and the gas at the same time when you want a faster result. Okay, so that is one of the amazing features of our oven. This is our intellectual property. If you see it elsewhere, the rest assure it has been copied from our channel, right? So this is the oil collector. The oil collector is also made of mirror stainless. So what happens is during the drying process, the oil that will be dropping will definitely flush out of your oven to keep the inside of your oven clean, and you will see the slot here. So this is where the oil will gush out. You can have a small can here to harvest your oil during the drying process. Then also it comes with rollers at the bottom, very important. This is open, and then if I press here, it's closed. This prevents the oven from rotating or moving during the drying process. It also helps you carry the oven around without stress whenever you are using the oven. Then when you close, it can no longer rotate. But when you open, it freely rotates and can move anywhere you want to take it to. All right, then also we look at the racks. There are 7 racks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And each of these racks have a capacity of 30 fish. By the time you calculate the total amount of fish that can be accommodated in this oven, that's about 210. But we have reduced it to 200 capacity. So Mr. Mohammed, this is your oven. This is what you have booked for. This is your amazing masterpiece, and it is ready for delivery. So at this point, if you are watching this video and you need something like this, feel free to call our numbers on the screen and or chat us up on WhatsApp, and we will definitely design something like this and make it available for you anywhere you find yourself in the world, not just in Nigeria, but in the world, because our ovens have gone international, right? So feel free to call us, feel free to chat us up, and we will make available this masterpiece for you. And your drying process, your baking process, whatsoever you want to use it for, will be done at ease. Okay, so good. So at this point, sir, when the oven will get to your destination, we will need 2 short clips from you. The first clip will be at the terminal, showing that the oven has arrived, and then we should be rest assured that the oven has not been opened by anybody. Then the second one will be at your terminal when it has gotten finally to your location and you have opened the oven and you are rest assured that everything is in order. You have your burners, you have your pair of thermal insulated gloves, you have your charcoal collectors, you have your oil collector, you have your racks. No part of it should be missing. That's the essence of the video. So we need that short clip so that we too will have it documented and be rest assured that you have everything just as designed here. So please do well to make us have that video, because it goes a long way to solidify our customers' strength and confidence. You know, this is a kind of business whereby you do not see physically the person you are dealing with. So a lot of people are scared out there from being scammed, and we are not here for scams. So we are here for serious business. We are registered, and you can always trace us anytime, anywhere. All right, thank you for watching. This is JBF Fish Academy. Boom. However, before I forget, the oven will be sealed with this padlock. So we are going to use a stainless padlock to seal your oven. That's this one you see here. So we're going to use this padlock to seal your oven so that nobody has access to this oven except you on arrival. And by the time it gets to you, this is where you're going to find your key. We're going to sellotape it at the top here. This is your chimney. We're going to sellotape it at the top here so you can always have it here. This will prevent your key from getting lost, because we have some cases clients are complaining that they don't know where the key is. So always check at the top of your oven and you will see your key sellotaped at the top there. So you don't need to ask them at the terminal wherever your key is or something. So now we are going to seal the oven and get the keys handed over to them so that they will wrap your oven and deliver to you in Kaduna State. Thanks for watching. Thanks for patronizing us. This is JBF Fish Academy. Boom.